Sinkholes are a natural phenomenon where the ground suddenly collapses, creating a deep depression or hole. While most sinkholes are relatively small and pose little threat, some have been catastrophic, leading to loss of life, property damage, and significant environmental changes. Today, we're diving into some of the most dangerous sinkholes in history, events that left us in shock and made us question the safety of the ground beneath our feet. Guatemala City sinkhole. In 2010, Guatemala City experienced one of the most shocking sinkhole disasters in history. A massive sinkhole, approximately 60 feet wide and 300 feet deep, appeared out of nowhere in the heart of the city. The collapse swallowed an entire 3-story factory and a house. Tragically, at least 3 people lost their lives in this devastating event. The sheer size of the sinkhole and the destruction it caused is a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of these geological occurrences. Next up, Florida sinkhole. In Seffner, Florida, a sinkhole opened up beneath a home in 2013, swallowing 37-year-old Jeff Bush as he slept in his bed. The sinkhole, which grew rapidly overnight, was so deep that rescue teams couldn't retrieve his body. Despite extensive efforts to recover him, his remains were never found, and the house had to be condemned and demolished. This incident underscores the terrifying reality that sinkholes can strike without warning, taking lives and homes in their wake. Shaozhai Tianqing, China. Known as the Heavenly Pit, the Shaozhai Tianqing in China holds the title of the world's largest sinkhole. Measuring over 2,000 feet long, 1,500 feet wide, and 1,000 feet deep, this colossal sinkhole is a geological wonder. While it hasn't claimed any lives, its immense size makes it a striking reminder of the power of nature. Standing at the edge of this massive void, it's hard not to feel small in comparison to the forces that shaped it. Sinkhole in Alton, Illinois. In 2023, a massive sinkhole emerged in Alton, Illinois, opening up right in the middle of a soccer field. The sinkhole, measuring 100 feet wide and 30 feet deep, swallowed bleachers and a light pole, creating a scene that stunned onlookers. While no injuries were reported, the event highlighted the dangers sinkholes pose, even in populated areas where people least expect them. The sight of the ground simply giving way beneath the soccer field is enough to make anyone pause and wonder if the earth beneath us is truly stable. Qara Depression, Egypt. The Qara Depression in Egypt is one of the largest sinkholes on the planet, covering a staggering 19,605 square kilometers. While the depression itself hasn't caused fatalities, its vast size and depth make it an awe-inspiring feature of the Earth's surface. Located in the desert, this geological marvel serves as a reminder of how sinkholes can form on a massive scale, altering landscapes and environments over time. These sinkholes remind us of the unpredictable nature of the Earth and the sometimes deadly consequences of its movements. Though not all sinkholes result in tragedy, these incidents showcase the immense power that lies beneath the surface, ready to erupt at any moment. It's a stark warning to always be aware of the ground you're standing on. Have you seen a sinkhole before? Please comment below.